Hello everyone, this is Lucy and today I will show you how to change your display language in Excel. You can see the default language in every Excel is English. Now, if I want to change it to some other language such as Dutch or France, then I will need to go to File and Options. So after that, go to Language. And here you will see an option called Install Additional Keyboards from Windows Settings. So here you will see option called Add a Language. It will show a list of languages in this window. Just go ahead and select a language and click on Install. As you can see, it has started the installation in the Microsoft 365. So just wait until it's completed. So after it has installed the specified language in your PC, it will show something like this. Click on continue. So in order to make this work, you will need to close all the Microsoft apps. As the Microsoft is applying updates, you can utilize this time to like and subscribe this video in order to get more videos like this in your future. So after this, it will open your Microsoft Excel automatically, and you will see that all of the contents of your Excel is now in the preferred language that you changed earlier. Here, then you will see that it has changed all the languages of all of these contents in your Microsoft. If you want to go back to your old language, which is English, then just click on the first tab, then click on Option, and here go to Language, and just select the English and click on OK. After this, you will need to reopen your Excel, and there you'll have your English language back to. Thank you guys for watching.